Good night. My name is Carlos Alvarez. I did activate heard of agreement chart. Contacts Cloud defines the purpose for the commercialization of the software. Item listen option term of listen, right of free resource, scope of listen, and exclusivity. Listen option of the grammar includes a listen option specified where it's exclusive or not. The option is graded on section of the grains. Is the managed agreement is the listen agreement there might be an option in the listen agreement to listen. Some further aspects of the technology. One, for example, improved next generation produced additional parented additional application of the parent additional territories, etc. Option thereof listen. In the case a listen option agree determined to all 10 of the listen to do the deletions of the parent application and the technology and specific the events they theories and exercise of option equality the requisite of the listen by a specific day. Right of free result. The listen is interested but might not be released to take and listen. So the listen of mice, the list of right of rifles. Scope of listens. The listen should be made a specific possibility by using several parameters to define it. It requires scope and the template for agreements, territory, field of the application, and the rate of type of exclusivity hit 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 is anit. Exclusively listen, solid listen, no exclusive listen, option exclusivity. Exclusivity can be granted with direct I want exclusive right to the club. Different kinds of exclusive right can be typical of the definite specific right the flat the flowing terms application territory duration. Good night, night to me, tutor. Thank you.